that's another reason why I was very passionate about writing that article and linking into what we're doing, because it is actually possible. The knowledge can be applied to to be able to keep a more peaceful and still internal state, which in the chaos of the world today, I mean, this is sort of the number one cry of people is the stress overload, and you can't afford to go on a holiday, or you don't have time. Are there ways to create that inner stillness and that peace of mind inside one's own body, which, as you say, temples were constructed around a mirror and a reflection of the human system. Even the great cathedrals and many churches, they say it's laid out according to the pattern of Christ on the cross, but of course it's the human form, and they have the two wings and the entry door at the feet, and where the most sacred ceremonies go on in the cathedral or the church is the position of where the human head would be. And we even have ideas with the human temples. It's another name referred to this part of the human. So I think that history and the trace of temples and the usage and the design, it carries that knowledge, and it hints very, very strongly that there are certain unseen worlds and powers and energies that the human was naturally meant to be connected to. But over time, and certainly since the Industrial Revolution, humans been very much disconnected from all of that.
Yeah,